right, today we're gonna bring an aquarium filter. Now this one has 2-in-1. It cleans and it also provides air oxygen. All right, now here's the actual part that needs to be out on the open, and this is where it's going to drain out, and it has to have sponges. All right, and they do give you extra sponges here, as you can see. Now this is like a cartridge. They pretty much go in the back on this part of it. All right, facing this way. Make sure they're locking in that place. If they're not right, make sure they sit flat here. Once you get that part in there, all you got to do is lock it in place. There's the lock right there. They lock in place. You could remove this and clean it out. Right now we're going to test it out here in a smaller aquarium, but we're also going to take it to a larger aquarium. But right now we want to see if we could clean the actual water in here, and I'm going to show you closely. Well, I want to put this in here for a bit, see if it could clear this. These are my brand new pumps that I have in here, so we're going to see if we could fix this and clean it out. So let's go ahead and do that. So right now we're going to set it up in here temporary. It doesn't even fit here, so I'm just going to show you how well it works to see if it clears it out. So we're going to leave it running for a bit, a couple hours, and then we'll come back and see how it looks, and then we'll put it in the larger aquarium. After 2 hours already, water's clear. You can see through. You can see the plants now. So it's working very well. It's cleaning up the tank, and it's a small little tank, so but it's working. We're going to set it up on a larger tank. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and set it up here, and I did do the snorkel. All right, so it's right here, and you're gonna see it from one angle. I'm just gonna paste it right here, and it's gonna be right above it, but you could go under if you want. If you guys can see that, I actually put it here, so this is gonna suck up all the air. Make sure you open this valve up, all right, so it could suck in the air. All right, we're gonna go ahead and plug it in right now, and if you guys can see, it's right there. All right, we have it running here. I'm gonna put it down in the water. You can move this anywhere you want. All right, I'm just gonna put it underneath the water. You're gonna see it get it clean, and you can see it running now, and it's cleaned up very good. It's giving you a couple of you guys can see the water run. You can slow it down if you want. It's an option. All right, it's a good option. You think there's too much air, but look at this. Look at the fish. They like it. He was swimming right in the current, so that's a good sign when they're swimming in the current. They like that. Look, guys, I'm gonna show you something incredible that I had not seen for a while. Live fishes are actually loving in the stream. The shrimp too. I have shrimp, but look at these guys. They love the water being pushed out. They're swimming right in front of it. I've never seen them doing that. You know, this is the first time I see them. They're always on the bottom of the grass, but this time they're up here. They like the waves, the water flow, the oxygen levels, pretty much a lot of things that I like about it. So works very good. Very, very, very good for fish and shrimp. I do have a lot of shrimp, all right? So common shrimps, look at that. Great filter, easy to set up and use. I hope you guys enjoy the video.